Nothing.
Why are you outside?
You're very pretty, miss.
Thank you, sir, but why are you outside? What's going on? Can I help you at all?
I'll get your phone number.
No, sir.
Why not?
Call 999, that's my number. 101, non-emergency.
101, yeah? And then I'll ask her what? 2446. 2246.
That's me, yeah.
Oh, cool. Are we done?
I'll just come and see if you're alright.
I'm fine, yeah. I'm really well. Thank you. You've been very polite. Thank you, yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you outside? Can I ask?
Just filming, yeah.
You're just filming the station?
Just trying to catch all the beautiful police ladies coming out of the station.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're trying to catch the beautiful police officers coming out the station?
Yeah. So far, I'm doing well so far, but...
Why is that? Can I ask?
Because, it's a hobby.
It's a hobby, so you just want to catch police officers coming outside the station?
No, not exactly. No, I know. The real reason is just filming for matters of, public interest.
So what's the public interest?
The public are interested.
What's your name, sorry?
What's your name?
Bennett. What's your name? What's your name?
I don't have to give my name.
What I suggest, though, if you move away from the station, you've got no reason to be outside.
It's a public pavement, miss.
Okay, but you have no reason to be outside.
Yeah, to be fair, I'm standing. You are right. I'm standing for front of the gate. Forgive me. Yeah, no worries. I'll stay out of people's way. Don't worry. I'm not here to obstruct any pedestrians or anything like that.
What is the reason?
Sorry, sir?
What is the reason?
Oh, just matters of public interest, mate.
Which are?
The public are interested.
I appreciate the public interest in protesters, but I will just say, I mean, you're probably on the side of the public. Yeah.
I'm not on any sort of side.
Well,
I don't think there were sides.
You care about the public, and
I care about the public. I care about the police.
Okay. What I would say is, people can film police officers. That's not a problem.
Yeah.
If we're going about our job, that's fine. But you being here, it's not really affecting us as police officers. No, I'm just saying it's affecting members of the public who want to come to a police station. And I mean, I don't know anything about your life. I don't know anything about your family.
The same rules apply to them. Like,
no, I know.
If
you wanted to go to a police station and you wanted to be confidential or something, you want someone filming you, or if it was someone in your family,
right,
going to there for sometimes
they're not exempt from being filmed though.
I'm talking to you, right? This isn't about being exempt.
Well, you're trying to give me a lesson or something like.
I'm talking to you like an adult. Yeah, is that right? Is that fair?
It feels like I'm being lectured or something.
I'm saying, would you like a member of your family to be filmed going into a police station?
Doesn't matter what I like. At the end of the day, you haven't got any privacy in public. At the end of the day,
but I'm saying, what would you think?
Doesn't matter what I think, mate. I'm here. I'm doing it.
But would you like it to happen to you, or remember your?
I couldn't care less, mate. Unless I had something to hide or something, I couldn't care less.
Well, some people might not want to be.
If they're victims of crime or something like that, then I would understand that.
So that's the people who don't.
Just use it for my own recreation.
And what would that be? Your own recreation? What would that be?
My own recreation.
So I mean, people are coming.
You know, I don't have to answer questions.
People coming out here are victims of crime.
Okay, well, I'll try not to put the camera on them.
Well, you're literally filming the public entrance. Do you see what I mean?
Okay, well, I'm not at the moment, mate. For the last 5 minutes, you lot have been asking me questions, so.
Well, I'm the one who speaks to you, and I'm asking you. You're filming members of the public going to police stations. You're saying it's for the public interest. You're making members of the public's life worse, aren't you? It's not making my life better. You have an answer?
I don't have an answer, mate.
Right, but do you not think that's the case?
Stop trying to criminalise legal activity.
Criminalise, I'm speaking to you. I'm asking you a question and all you can do is shake your head.
Well, mate, I don't have to answer questions, do I?
Do you have a case in the court or something?
No, I don't have a case to go to court. I'm not a criminal. Never been charged in my life.
Okay. Well, I just don't know why you'd want to film members of the public. It's not even like it's a police entrance where you're filming police officers.
Nah, man. But,
right?
Would you identify yourself?
Yeah, I'm filming them there.
Well, what does that mean? What if I can't read? Is that how you'd identify yourself to a judge?
Not when you're going to ask for help you with your video.
Alright, no worries.
Okay, but that's what I'm asking. So what is the reason that you want to film members of the public going to the police station? That's what you're filming. That's an entrance to the members of the public.
Kind of making some supposed narrative that I haven't got.
No, I'm saying
that I want to film members of the public. Couldn't care less about what members of the public are doing.
That's who uses entrance.
I don't want to film members of the public, mate.
That's who you're filming.
All right, let me stay out of the way of the entrance. I mean, if that's the case you're making, then I'll respect it and I'll try not to
see that's where members of the public enter the police station to go.
Mate, I can film members of the public in public.
I'm saying,
I can film members of the public in public. I can film members of the public in public. What?
I said that's what people are using.
Okay, but
you're saying you're not here to make their lives worse.
I'm not here to make anyone's life worse. There's a member of the public complained about this. No, no, they haven't.
So
no, they haven't. Where's the report?
Why you'd want to?
Have you logged it?
Why you'd want to?
Have you logged it? No member of the public complained about this.
People walking in and out.
I'm not here for an argument, man. I don't want you to think I'm trying to antagonise or anything like that.
Okay,
I don't want you to do that.
I don't want you to film people going into a police station or report crime. So I mean, if they're reporting something and they're witnessing a crime, then I don't want that to be used against them by...
It's not going to be used against them, mate.
So what would be the reason for filming?
I'm not filming them, mate.
You're not going to film them?
No.
You're not going to film members of public going in?
No, I'm not. Like, I don't have an objective, like an aim to film them. If they happen to be filmed, then they're filmed. Like, there's not a lot I can do about it. There's no
Sir, but we just come to talk to you because obviously, do you understand that it's not of a normal behavior?
Yeah.
For someone just to stand outside the police station.
No, I don't understand.
Officers in and out.
No, I don't understand.
I understand as well, probably that if someone would be doing the same thing outside your property, you would be kind of not knowing
you don't live
why
it, do
it's
you?
going on.
This is.
And as my colleague very well said to you, there is victims that they come here to report serious crimes that they do not want to be on any video whatsoever. So we really appreciate. I mean, you're more than welcome to record if that makes you happy and that's what you want to do. But please just try to respect people who's trying here to.
Thank you for respecting my rights as well. I appreciate that.
So that's all I can say
Okay,
to you.
thank
But
you.
understand why we are all here because obviously
Sure.
we have a duty of care.
Sure,
It doesn't look really normal for someone to be recording outside the police station.
I understand.
That's what I think. Yeah.
Hello.
I'm a sergeant here.
Hello, Sergeant. Would you identify yourself?
Listen, Sergeant Smith.
Okay.
Basically, obviously, there's no powers to stop you filming. I'd ask you to stop just because, as my colleague said, people are coming in sometimes to report.
Yeah, mate, I'm not going to be here all day. Like, I haven't.
I'd hope you have better things to do.
Yeah. I'd hope so as well.
I don't see the point of what you're doing, but I'd like to think that it's not malicious.
It's not.
And although slightly obnoxious, you're not being unreasonable.
Thank you.
We're going to leave you to it.
Thank you.
Please don't film the front entrance. Don't film.
All right. You know what? Fair enough.
Because I think it's a bit out of order.
Yeah. And you have asked me politely, so
Lovely.
I'll probably stop after this.
No dramas. Out of curiosity.
Just out of politeness, you know what I mean? I know I can stand there and film the entrance all I like. Do you know what I mean? But just out of courtesy, I'm not going to do it.
That's it, mate, and that's all we ask you.
I'm not here to like cause trouble or antagonise. You know what I mean? So it's not. It would be rude of me to then deliberately film members of the public and whatnot. You know. So anyway.
Are you willing to provide your details to us?
No.
You don't want to. No dramas. All right, we'll leave you to it for the time being.
Thank you, sir.
But as I said, just please be respectful.
All right, no worries.
Thank you.
In a bit. You done asking questions?
What's that?
You done asking questions?
Well, it's the same questions that we were just talking about, wasn't it?
The sergeant's just dealt with it.
Yeah, and we were saying we don't want you to film people coming in and out, which I think is fair.
All right.
Yeah?
Like I said, I'm not going to out of politeness. Yeah. All right, mate. All right. There's no problem.
So, you've just been hanging around here for a little while?
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm not trying to.
Yeah. Is there a reason you hang around here? That's what we're scared. So what it is, members of the public have been calling saying you've been hanging around. We've come out to speak to you. Is there any particular reason you're hanging around?
Yeah, I'm just filming.
You're filming. Wonderful. Can I ask what for?
Just making a story.
Story. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So obviously you can see it's a bit strange because you're outside a police station, filming and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So it'd be worth me coming and asking stuff like that.
Yeah.
Can I ask your name?
What's your name?
Sorry?
What's your name?
My name's Peter Nelson.
Hello, sir.
How you doing? Can I ask yours?
No.
No? Okay. So, is it the station or is it the street or anything like that?
It's anything I can see from public, to be fair.
Anything you can see from
Yeah.
Okay, no.
That old chestnut.
Do you go to this the only station or you go to other stations? Or
No,
anything like that?
just anything I can see from public. I don't. You know what I mean?
Do you have a lot of police interactions and stuff?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. You done your homework?
What?
Have you done your homework?
Well, no. All I'm out here obviously just to speak to you at the moment. So.
You're getting warm pretty quickly, so fair play.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well.
He's a bright one.
Until we speak to you, we don't know what for. You know, that's the
Yeah,
thing.
it's not anything malicious. I'm sure you
not-
can quickly determine that it's not anything malicious, to be fair.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't know. Can you? I mean,
Right, then, you seem like a nice fella.
I'm okay. I'm all right, to be
You're having a
honest,
chat
mate.
with me. There doesn't seem to be any massive problem.
I'm not.
All
Yeah.
it is we're here to obviously put the concerns to bed that you're not
That's
here
it. That's it.
like
That's it.
to plan anything or do
No,
anything.
no, no, no,
Does
no,
that make
no,
sense?
no. It's not reconnaissance or anything like that. No.
That's all we're trying to get down to. So,
And if you're happy, then I probably won't even continue for much longer, to be
all
fair.
right, no problem.
But
I haven't seen you do anything.
Yeah.
Essentially, like I've been.
and you know that
doing
photography
whatever.
isn't a crime anyway. You know what I mean? So.
I'm doing the same thing. You're in
Yeah.
a public space. There's no issues with it. You're having a conversation with me, which is nice. You know, I'm sure there's been plenty of times where a conversation hasn't really taken place.
No. You're assuming that I've done this before. Do a bit of sightseeing.
Yeah.
So obviously, it's not the most pleasant weather today, but yeah.
Absolutely. So do you live local or you don't know? All right. And so in terms of police stations, is this your only police station you go to? You go to others and stuff like that?
Don't know.
You don't know. Is there anything you do want to tell me, or are you still just going to make me ask the questions?
What did I want to say? What is this, like a little neighbourhood police station? It's like a little
It's a
residential
pretty big
one.
one. It's been here for probably longer than I have.
Yeah.
It's been here for a good old while, isn't
The
it?
architecture is quite interesting.
Nice.
Yeah. No, I don't have any questions, to be honest, mate. If you're happy, then.
Like I said, I'll come out to have a conversation with you initially. I can probably tell you you're not here to do any
No, I'm not.
any
I'm
harm
not,
or anything like that.
I'm not.
But it's just to have a conversation.
Of course,
Like I
of
said,
course.
There's people obviously in and around the neighbourhood that are worried that someone stood outside. the police
Yeah,
station.
I'm not going to be here all day, mate. To be
No.
honest.
Cool.
I mean, once we're done talking, I'll probably head off. To be
Yeah,
honest,
is that-
mate. Yeah,
Nice.
I don't want to waste your time or anything. I'm sure you've got more important things to be doing. So.
Yeah, have a conversation with me at the end. That's what my job. I come out. And
Yeah,
speak
but
to
I'm not
people and
committing a
stuff
crime, to be fair. So you're probably better off trying to. Do you know what I mean? Go after people committing crime. Suppose you lot get a bit excited when there's something that you think is on your doorstep. You know what I
like
mean?
that. All right, yeah. Well,
It's like an easy catch.
but what's the catch? You know, you're in a public space. You're quite right. You seem clued up yourself that
Yeah.
you're allowed to film.
Yeah.
We're just out here asking, is there a reason that you're filming a police station?
Yeah, just
And
matters
make
of
sure there's
public
nothing
interest. Yeah.
malicious in it. You know, obviously the fact it's allowed, but we just want to know why. And it, like,
Yeah.
for example, so do you do YouTubing, blogging, or anything like that?
Yeah, something along those lines.
Not a
Yeah.
problem. So what happens is, so you don't have a malicious thought, and you put this online or anything like that. Now, what someone who does have malicious thoughts, or things in terms of wanting to do something.
But again, everything that I can see here, like it
Yeah.
can be viewed on Google Maps as well.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So
Absolutely,
just,
but-
like there aren't any like secrets or.
Yeah. No, we're not trying to hide it. It's a big old police station. But do you know what I mean? So anyone that
Yeah.
if you give 20 minutes, half an hour of footage of the front of the police station, you're doing it for whatever reason you're doing it for.
Yeah.
But essentially, it could get picked up, and someone who does want to do something. Does that make sense?
Well, not really, because I did explain the whole Google Maps
Yeah.
analogy. So.
Yeah, I know. Google Maps.
And they can spend all day watching that and like,
Yeah.
rotating it and seeing
Well, they can only do so much in terms of private roads and stuff. It depends how out of date it is. I don't know when the last time the Google car came through here and did its thing. It could be 2016 or whatever. So you're obviously giving up to date footage. But I'm just wanting to know
contemporary footage.
Contemporary
I'm preserving history
for the architecture.
for future generations. Yeah.
So do you mind me asking your name?
I'm
Or
not
you
going to
just
give
don't-
my
don't
name,
wanna
man.
give it?
Yeah.
No problem. Right, so yeah, like I said, essentially we come out here to have a chat with you.
Yeah, sure.
And make sure that there's nothing kind of untoward. Are you planning on coming back here, or
Nah, probably not, to be honest.
were you off to another
You only
place?
get a more once in a lifetime thing, mate. You know
Oh,
what I
well,
mean?
you've been here?
Once in a lifetime,
Have you
mate.
never been here before?
I've never been here before.
No. You've been to other police stations and stuff?
No comment.
All right. No worries. Well, like I said, we need to come out and chat and stuff
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
I appreciate that. You've been polite, so hey, like I said, I don't want to waste any of your time. I'll be on my way.
It's not. It makes us know that when we finish the conversation, we go back in, that there's not going to be anyone out here thinking bad things. You know what I mean?
No, yeah, I do
So
understand. Yeah,
I'd rather have come and spoken to you
yeah,
and made sure that you've got intention. I don't know
yeah.
much. Know what
Oh,
your
that black
intention-
lady had a bit of a bad attitude, to be fair.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
she might need a talking to, but
Which
other
one's
than that, I know she was in plain clothes and she wouldn't identify herself and whatnot. So
Oh,
I
okay.
thought that was a bit odd.
Is it the police officers as well you're trying to talk to? Seem like you're.
I mean, I didn't engage with anyone. They engaged with me, so
Oh, okay.
it's
And as long as
one of them.
it's a polite conversation, you're happy to have a chat.
Yeah, I'm always happy to have a chat, mate. Like, I'm not here, like I explained to your sergeant, I'm not here to antagonise anyone or anything like that.
Yeah.
Have you spoken to somebody else, have you?
I have spoken to someone, yeah.
I didn't know. We didn't know. I didn't know.
Yeah.
Who have you spoken to, sorry?
Yeah, the sergeant, yeah. But like I said, if we're done, then I'll be on my way.
Well, like we're saying, so we're just trying to establish what you're out for. How long have you been out here for?
Like literally 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes.
10 minutes, and you've just been. Did you go into the front office at all?
No.
No.
I mean, I can if I want to. I can go in there.
There's not a problem. So all it is, like I said, we've just got the report out. If you bear with me 1 minute, I'll just see what they're saying, and if there's no issues.
Well, can I not just go now?
I'm not stopping you.
Oh, cool.
So,
like I said, I'm gonna go as soon as we're done. I'm gonna head off.
Yeah, all right.
Can I understand? I don't know if my
Yeah, you may. Yeah.
Are you recording? You say you're recording for YouTube?
I didn't say that.
Oh, okay. So essentially,
Hmm.
I'm asking you as just a general
Okay,
question.
fair enough. You can.
Are you recording for any particular reason? I know you said you're documenting history, but so is it for your own personal use or what's the video
Yeah.
for?
Just the public are interested in this sort of thing.
How do you mean? What sort of thing?
Like they're interested in the interactions with police, the upkeep of the building. I think a lot of people feel like there's like a bit of an indifference between the public and police.
Right.
Do you know what I mean? Like the public opinion of the police is a bit.
So you trying to make a documentary, are you?
But I'm trying to promote like transparency and like open government and stuff like that. Do you know what I
Okay,
mean?
right.
Just to prove that, yes, police can have normal conversations, but at the same time, I'll be honest with you, there are a lot of other police that are a little bit funny and, you know what I mean, very paranoid. And I mean, I understand you have your concerns, but at the same time, I have my rights. So
No, nobody here.
this is the public interest, to be honest. I've been
nobody
quite
here is trying to
honest.
say that you don't have rights.
Of course,
Okay.
of course.
Obviously, myself and my colleagues in the police building, as any site, we're actually a unit that deals with important sites. Okay.
Sure.
Any attention that's paid to any important sites raises questions in this day and age, unfortunately. Okay. So some might perceive it.
What do you mean by like this day and age?
This day and age, there's been a lot of high-profile incidents that
Or
cause a
like
lot
terrorism.
of concern. One of the things, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, there's been
I
murders,
don't feel
there's
like
been terrorism. There's
police
all-
stations are valuable targets for terrorists, though.
Well,
Obviously, it's hard to define
I
like a
think
terrorist,
unless
but
you were educated on it, I would say that they probably are.
well, when was the last time a police station was attacked by a terrorist?
Time and date I can't give you.
Yeah,
but
no, but
essentially they are targets. So
Yeah.
we obviously speak to anybody that might well be paying particular attention, especially with a camera and a video recorder, and especially somebody who isn't freely telling me exactly why. Because it raises our suspicions
I
a little
have told
bit
you, if I
more.
was a terrorist, then
I'm not
I
saying
still
that-
wouldn't tell you. You know what I mean?
Exactly, I know
You
you're
know what I
not,
mean? Like,
you're not stupid, I know that. I'm not saying that
yeah,
you're
but
gonna.
you should know by
But
like, the way I'm
essentially-
like talking and carrying myself. You should know I don't have any ulterior agenda or anything like that.
It's the better option as well, because
Because look, you've gotten a fair bit of information out of me as well.
exactly.
If you
And
come
you know
up to me,
personally, I'm a lot more easy than I was with you now than I was when I walked out, because I
I feel like you were alright the whole time, to be fair, but
do you know what I mean? Like the second I walked out, I didn't know what